with Chief PNP Bersona for his statement that he will not support the president, Bangit's alleged plan to extend the term of the president. No?
O, alam ninyo pala, speculation yan eh. Pero ganito, kung hindi siya nakarating, pinibigyan na natin ng kahulugan. Yun ang, pagka ganito tayo sa bayan natin, hindi tayo susunod. Kaya, as I said, there are 164 delegates o na nandun na sa Mindanao at nandun na siya. So, she took advantage of that. Huwag na natin bigyan. Let us stop giving for everybody movement. Gumawa, masama. Hindi gumawa, masama. Ano ba gusto niyo? Tumalon na lang siya. So, remember, she's still our president. And if you want our country to move forward, let us all give their good suggestions. And I challenge the presidential board na mag-isip naman sila, mag-suggest sila, in these few days that are left, ito po ang sana po gawin. Kung ginawa yan ni Presidente at nagawa at mahusay, di lahat tayo makikinabang. At elect natin yung na-propose na yun. Di ba? Paano mo po i-elect? Walang ginawa kundi umatake. We will not move forward by attacking. We will only move forward if we look at the problem, we look for a solution, and then we move.